Hey folks, your buddy Adam here, and today we're looking at this SnapFresh. It is a electric screwdriver and it's insulated so you can use it in places that you wouldn't be able to otherwise. A very nice product. To tell you a little bit about it, it does come with 6 heads, and we'll have the unboxing so you can see the box and everything later on. So stick around for that. But it's got 4 Phillips head screwdrivers, 2 flat tips, and the extension cable, or the cable to where you can charge it. It is battery powered and forward, back, all in one simple switch to where you don't have to be changing it around, and you can change the torque, whatever, like I'm putting on 6. Now, I'm up here in the attic and you can see, like, I want to be able to mess with this, but I don't want to pull the power because then I wouldn't be able to see. There'd be no light up here. I used a couple lights on my face separately, but I don't want to have to turn the entire power off to be able to work on this. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to a flat tip screwdriver here. And it slides in. This is a great little, like, instead of having to chuck in, it just goes in like that, which is going to be great. And then I'm going to try to remove some of these without getting electrocuted, which is nice. And that is a really nice aspect, that you can work on things that maybe it wouldn't normally be safe for you to work on, you know, because this is insulated. So I still have the power on and everything, and I am just unscrewing what I need to work on. Okay, so that really makes a real difference. Let me go ahead and give you an up close. Now, like I said, the idea that you are insulated and able to work up close and personal with this product is absolutely fantastic. And it is nice that there's a little LED light, 2 LED lights on your screwdriver itself, and see how easy it is to go from forward to reverse on this bad boy. So really, really exciting, a great little product. Now, my drywall guys didn't do a great job here. You can see how it doesn't fit in real, oops, it doesn't fit real well at all that way. But you can see how this just doesn't fit in real well. So I can mess with this now, and I can try to adjust it without having to worry about getting electrocuted, and that's fantastic. So anyway, folks, a really fantastic product. And I've always been a fan of SnapFresh. You've seen me do different videos for them before, and I'm just in love with their products, okay? So yeah, you don't want to be messing with live electricity with a normal screwdriver. Like this is probably okay. But getting inside like I was a moment ago, probably not where you want to be. All right, folks, I like to end the video with the unboxing. Some people like to see this. So we put it at the end in case you're interested. Here's the user manual, cordless screwdriver, activate service card, and wow, look at this. This is a pretty cool box. So when I'm doing the unboxing, this is the first I've seen of the product. Obviously, the other part of the video, I've messed with it for a while. So, pretty cool. Oh, it does come with a little bit of a charge, LED battery, and it looks like, oh, that's so simple. That's so smart. Oh, I like this already. Reverse and forward. You don't have to like toggle a switch, just forward and back. And okay, so adjust the amount of torque. I always like to crank it up. Tighten, loosen, and you're not like stripping it down because you didn't chuck it well enough. So, and then obviously the 110 volt. This is nice. I get a lot of cool stuff in the mail, and I make videos, and I don't keep everything, but this one I'm definitely keeping. I'm already excited about this one. So let me go ahead and show you the product up close. I'm gonna kick it off right about now. All right, so you've already watched that part, obviously. So thanks for watching. Give you one last look at this fantastic SnapFresh screwdriver up close and personal. You see all the different heads. Looks like 2 flat, 4 different types of Phillips head. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.